Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Bitform to GetResponse using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to add a contact in GetResponse using Bitform. I will use Bitform as a trigger node to send a message and interact with GetResponse. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Bitform as a trigger. Next, let's add Bitform as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Bitform, Submit Success as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Bitform. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Bitform trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add GetResponse as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select GetResponse, Add Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a GetResponse connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide your GetResponse credentials in the value field to establish a connection with GetResponse. To get your credentials, visit the GetResponse API keys page. Now, click on the Generate API key button and complete the API key generation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now go back to the Bitflows builder and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your GetResponse node is now successfully connected to Bitflows. Next, select a list from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your GetResponse account. Now, I will map the fields from the Bitform response to the GetResponse fields. You can also add tags from the drop-down options, if needed. Then you can also specify an Autoresponder day if you want the contact to receive an email sequence from GetResponse automatically. You also have the option to override the existing contact information with responses, if needed. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Bitform. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in GetResponse node. Step 5. Verify the contact in GetResponse. Finally, go to your GetResponse lists page and click on Bitflows. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added to your GetResponse account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.